Everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I am also great by the grace Almighty Bhagavan. Uh, right now, I am sitting here. Actually, I am showing the game, football game. Uh, as you can see, it's foggy weather. As you can see, uh, not clear. Actually, foggy weather, so it's normal things. Dorpun brother, as you can see, good touch. Another player. Oh my god, good chance, maybe good opportunity. We can see. Oh, good, maybe mistake and receive goalkeeper. Shot of Dorpunda, as you can see, running fast. Actually, foggy weather, so uh, cannot cannot clearly showing the game. As you can see, it's foggy weather. Okay, right now shortcut introduce. Actually, as you can see, it's right hand side. Actually, it's Rangpur named, and left hand side Lalmonirhat. We are match mate, so we are unity, and two group are named here actually. uh, and I am visitor and viewer. As you can see, my surrounding area. uh, I am also along here. As you can see, it's Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Hall, actually Begum Rokeya University hall area. As you can see, badminton field and Begum Rokeya University hall. Oh, mistake. As you can see, Shikon brother, good running, maybe hand. As you can see, uh, first toss, which is the, oh my god, good toss. Oh, nicely received. As you can see, they are gathering here. Good toss, but mistake, out of boundary the ball. As you can see, Shikon brother throw the ball. Colon brother, good toss, another player. Actually, here their team. Oh, hit. Good shot. Oh, clear. Shikon brother right now here, and give to another player. Actually, their team running fast. As you can see, actually it's a Begum Rokeya University hall field. Begum Rokeya University are famous and prominent, the best of North Bengal. We know. Mistake, good chance, good opportunity, but mistake. And their another player, uh, aggressive mood. As you can see, Fiju's brother, very angry mood. As you can see, I am also practicing here my spoken English journey. uh, Actually, day by day improvement my spoken English, so that I am also practicing here. Okay, I am not a good speaker. I am a learner, so some mistake maybe common, not not mistake, it's maybe mistake. Please don't mind. I am also practicing here and learner as a learner, so don't mind my language. I am also practicing here, as you can see. uh, oh my god, wishing Sagar Sen, my junior, actually brother. He's playing share, as you can see. Another player wishing here, as you can see. Actually, it's a junior. Corner shot, good chance. Oh, mistake. Colon brother. Pisu's the another player. Give to another player. Out of boundary, as you can see. Called another team called out, but actually out. Uh, as you can see, through the ball, Sen, good touch and good finishing. Another player, give to another player. Actually, he's junior. Good playing and good opportunity, but mistake. Actually, their destination is playing well, but sometimes mistake. As you can see, the ball out of boundary. Through Sagar Sen, Sanjay brother, as you can see. Good touch, running fast, a good save, good finishing here. Another player, your team. Actually, it's foggy weather, but so not clear my camera. Actually, my phone is normal and not a good and better phone. It's normal, so I cannot good and clearly showing here. I am also recording through here, as you can see. Oh my god, good touching here. They are also gathering here, as you can see. Their destination goals, but they are equal, one goal and one goal. Rangpur 1 and Lalmonirhat 1. Sagar Sen running fast. Their team called. They are decorated. Their team management. Dorfun brother, actually big brother, our match. Actually, we are matchmate, so we are unity, and two group are named here, Rangpur and Lalmonirhat. Out of boundary, the ball, as you can see, maybe corner. As you can see, share his opinion, actually how to improve their playing, maybe. Corner shoot, Sanjay brother, as you can see. They are gathering goals out of boundary. Pisu's brother, our match biggest brother and respectable person. My camera quality is normal, so don't mind mistake and sleeping here. As you can see, Sagar Sen, good shot, clear. Out of boundary, the ball received here. As you can see, Omrit, he's my brother, actually a little brother.